Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of inguinal hernia with ultrasound findings. You can see the scanning of the testes. A hernia occurs when an organ or fatty tissue squeezes through a weak spot in the surrounding muscle or connective tissue called fascia. The most common types of hernia are inguinal, inner groin, incisional, resulting from an incision, femoral, outer groin, umbilical, belly button, and hiatal, the upper stomach. An inguinal hernia occurs when tissue such as part of the intestine protrudes through a weak spot in the abdominal muscle. The resulting bulge can be painful, especially when you cough, bend over, or lift a heavy object. You can see the testes and it looks echo-mecho normal, but a small amount of fluid hydrocele is seen. Ultrasound is non-invasive, non-ionizing radiation modality which is highly successful at soft tissue imaging. Groin pain from a occult hernia can be difficult clinical diagnosis made easier by good imaging by optimizing the image using depth, focus, and gain. Now you can see the gut loops coming inside the scrotal sac. Now the ultrasound findings in inguinal hernia are, there are 4 findings. Number 1 is herniated gut loops along with some fluid collection in inguinal region, as you have seen in this case. The fluid is hydrocele, a small hydrocele is seen along with the herniated gut loops. Number 2, testes and epididymis pulled up with herniated content. This is also visible in this case, and hydrocele on the respective involved side and the normal testes on the unaffected side. Now you can see the gut loops are seen. These are the gut loops. Now you can see the minimum amount of fluid. In this case, minimum, sometimes it is, the quantity is larger, as you can see in this case. A bulge in the groin area is visible because standing and coughing can make the hernia more prominent. You will likely be asked to stand and cough or strain. If the diagnosis is not readily apparent, your doctor might order an imaging test such as abdominal ultrasound, CT scan, and MRI. Again, you can see the gut loops protruding inside the herniated, and now you will see the cuffing effect of cuffing on the herniated content. The gut loops will be pushed more vigorously inside these sac. Examination of an adult for an inguinal hernia is best performed from the seated position with the patient standing. The inguinal canal areas for the bulge are visualized. A provocative cough may be necessary to expose the hernia. The cough is repeated as the examiner invaginates the scrotum and feels for an impulse. Not all inguinal hernia need to be repaired, but all the hernia repairs require surgery. Small hernias that are not strangulated, not blocking blood flow to the intestine, and are not causing bowel obstruction or significant pain do not necessarily require surgery or emergency surgical repair. So an inguinal hernia is not necessarily dangerous. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.